today. I'm on 64, but I'm not going to be on 64 too long. I'll be cutting off up here. Right now I'm going by Cedar Springs, or Cedar Heights, is what it's called. Cedar Heights, Cedar Springs up over the hill here. I'll be turning in right there at Cedar Springs. I'm going to take you what we call the Jacksonville Road. I don't know if I'm going to go the whole way up, but you see that says Mackeyville. I'm not going to Mackeyville. Been over there a few times, but right, I'm taking a right here. This is Jacksonville Road. It's not. I decided to do it this way instead of doing what I was thinking of it, going across over to here. It'd be a lot on the other side over there. Sorry, things don't like this boot up. Gray Fox Road, huh? Yeah, we'll just take a nice Monday the 14th, 2025 ride out Jacksonville Road. See how far I can go until I run out of gas. I'm only kidding. But I will have to pump. I will have to go to the pump station when I'm on the way back. So, it's a 45 through here, and I'm only going 40. So if anybody wants to be such a lead foot, leave them. I'm gonna just leave them. You can see out this way. I'm not really historically accurate out this way because I don't usually go out this way that often, and I don't even know when Jacksonville was founded. I mean, I can go clear up to Jacksonville. Jacksonville is a small village which has escaped to Howard, escape over to Milesburg, and an escape going to State College. Then the other way would be escape down to Mackeyville or Cedar Springs or off to the side here. There's different roads. I went out this way one time at night and I forgot all about this dip up ahead here. I mean, it's a fork in the road up here. It comes down. Big mistake. I didn't know why I did that, but I did it. I slammed on the brakes and didn't know which way to go, and I forgot both of the roads that's at the fork goes almost the same area. So I didn't do that on purpose. I just forgot. Okay, I'm kind of heading to Porter Township, which is still in Clinton County. I was back there. I was in Lamar Township when I started. I just left Mill Hall. I'll just taking this road out this way, show you how this road is. It's almost, I say this is almost like going up the Monument Overston Road because it's so curvy in spots. They're over there, looks like they're doing some planting and stuff over there, or cultivating. Right there's Cedar Stream right there. It's Cedar Creek or Cedar Run. It's probably Cedar Run. It's a tributary to Fishing Creek, which I could follow Fishing Creek all over the place. They say one area out here says up Fishing Creek it goes down, and I just went over Cedar Run right by Cedar Run Farm over the bridge back there. One area of Fishing Creek says it's supposed to sink under and come back out in a little different spot, but I'm not sure where that location is. I should know. Somewhere near the beginning of it, out past Titusville. It starts over there in Sugar Run. That's where Fishing Creek starts. Fox Hollow Road. Oh. big loop back there. Here's the reason why this road, if I took that area that goes that direction, it'll take me back to the Lamar Village. Crider Road. This road right here will cut up somewhere, up Orchard Road, but I'm just gonna stay here on this part of Jacksonville. That'll take you up above, somewhere up above that way. I don't know if it ends up being a dead end or not, but I haven't been out that way that often. I've been taking roads I haven't been on for a while. Like the one I got the other day, Brew Hollow. I forgot it came to a dead end or a private road. Narrow. This is narrow, so that truck right there really had a small area compared to my vehicle and his. Now this one ain't gonna affect it as much as that truck did. Out here at the farmyard. Oh yeah, look at that cow over there. Somebody drew a painting of a cow, huh? It also has the name of the farm. Looks like it starts with Q. I would have to go back and look at it. I thought it said Quartets or something like that. Quartets. Something. I'm thinking probably, I'm not sure. Maybe Amish. Never know. There's Amish all over Clinton County now. Used to be, most of them used to be over in Sugar Valley, and then they started spreading out. They have their stores. Got to hunt for big eggs. Be able to find them. Yeah. Border should be coming up soon. They'll be in the center county soon, but it should start getting more curvy. Right now it's a straight stretch, a little hilly. Now you have over this side Browns Hill Road. I'll take over to probably 64, but there's several dead ends out this way too, so. I'm out there trying to get over the Jacksonville Road. Okay, this way to the Jacksonville Road. It comes to a dead end, or comes to a dirt road, and the cars I had, I don't like taking them on dirt roads in the past. This one I don't mind. It'll take it, but I'm going to have to fix it soon. I don't usually get a sweet drink, but you're looking at the diet drinks, and it's 2 for $4, and then you go over to the Mellow Yellow. It says, and I'm not kidding, Mellow Yellow, and it said it was 2 for $3. So okay, I'm gonna grab that for today. It'll keep me going. Mellow Yellow is high on sugar. 153% added sugar to it. So they are high. But I usually get, when I go down to, I guess Burger King or Wendy's, they do have Mellow Yellow Zero. I drink that like it's going out of style there. But there's Fox Hollow Road again. Okay, I guess there's two different Fox Hollow. Maybe one was just Fox Road or something, like Fox Hill Road. Okay. So, but the Fox Hollow, just seen 2 of them, so you know it comes in, it goes in a circle. Maybe I should take you on a circle road some days. I mean, take it. Okay, let's go. Circle, go right back around again. All right, now. Call it the carousel of road delivery, huh? But you're always going circle when you're driving anyhow, because you always come back home. That's a complete circle. Low shoulder, now you put your shoulder down to the chair, down through the chair saying it's low shoulder. Yeah, I didn't read what that is, but that way I think is really steep. Just to go up over that. I was fooling around leaning down, so I didn't read that sign back here. Okay, I'm coming right up here is the Center County line, heading into Marion Township. Right here, we just crossed the Center County line, and there's a different road. The first time I'm taking you into Center County. I took you into Lycoming County last week. Now I'm heading into Center. I'm definitely going to have to get gas. Yeah, I should have enough to get where there's a gas station at. I'm in the middle of nowhere, though. That's pretty much what I am. It says Hidden Valley. Yep, that's pretty much where I'm at. Hidden Valley in the middle of nowhere. Jacksonville, here up in Jacksonville. I should have enough to get up to Jacksonville. I'm thinking about going over the Jacksonville Divide, or Pike, or whatever you call it. And go over to Howard. Maybe I should have got gas down the road, but keep going to State College, get on 99 and head up to Bellefonte. Or I could cut across and go over to Pleasant Gap. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. I wouldn't know. I don't know these places. Okay. I'm just having fun here, that's all I'm doing. Okay, we have Mountain View Drive. It probably takes you up over the mountains. But it might not. It might just take you down. It might take you right along the edge of the mountain. I'm more familiar with Clinton County than I am Center County when it goes to side roads. Jacksonville was one of the roads I used to go on all the time with my parents, so. And we have Nittany Valley Grocery. They say they had good ice cream there. It didn't look like it was open though. No cars, but you're in the middle of nowhere, so they might have no cars there for a while until somebody shows up and goes there. So, if you want to go to Nittany Valley Grocery, go on Jacksonville Road and go there. Should have some good ice cream there, that's what I was told. I've seen it online too, but I haven't heard it advertised though lately. And I think they have a festival out this way somewhere, once in a while. Somebody I know that goes out this way to that festival. I'm not sure where it's located because I never went to it, but if I see it online, I might go to it. Film it or something. Center County, pretty much Gunpowder Lane. Okay. Pretty much center of Pennsylvania. That's the reason why it was called Center County. They just spelled a little wrong with the C-E-N-T-R-E, but that's sort of a I wonder if that's a German spelling of center. I know it's just it's not in the that would not be in the English unless it's this would be in a encyclopedia or Wikipedia, because I know they have it on Wikipedia. They put a lot of stuff on Wikipedia since they started. And I was on it for a little bit on there too. But I just taking you on that taking you out. Oh, Robin. Bird that was on the road, if you've seen it. Then we have Burr Oak Lane, looks like an Amish school. And we have these farms off to the left and right. We have a house on the hill. Amish farm, how can you tell? Do we put clothes up on a line like that? Oh. Outhouse. Sometimes I use that as their High Valley Drive. I need to go drive around the mountains up this way, but my age, I don't know. But I have to get this fixed over there. That Handy Pantry Incorporated. Handy Pantry. Interesting. Oh, we have a cone sticking on the side of the hill for some reason. Probably a logger or firefighter or somebody doing it could be Penn Dot left it behind up here fixing the roads, and it could have been the borough that left it behind. Not borough, but the township left it behind. I think I'm coming into Jacksonville. I thought this road was much. Yep, I'm coming into Jacksonville. This is the Marion Township Municipal Building, and this Slaughterhouse Road and Jacksonville Road. This is Jacksonville, this little village. And right there, Sand Ridge takes you that way. The road to back there, Slaughterhouse, will take you over to center, Howard, Pennsylvania. One of the Howard, Pennsylvania. There's two Howards, Pennsylvania. I noticed that when you look on the map, you'll find another Howard up north somewhere. And here comes the former school, but it's Jacksonville Church, probably the Jacksonville School too, with the cemetery right beside it on both sides. That's probably where they went to school too. A lot of times when they just have a church, it usually used to use it as schools also. I have a Marion Township truck coming by. Right here is, see, you can go 26 straight, 26 straight to south. You can go north to 26. I'm gonna go down this way to Belfont, I guess. But this road comes right into Belfont. It goes right on to I-99. Then you go to Belfont. But there's going to be a cutoff up here. You get on the new bypass up this way. New bypass entrance. Man, I thought this road was a little bit more curvy. Maybe that's that road that's... Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry if it's not saying it was curvy. But there is side roads that are really curvy that goes on to this road. Like that road that cut back there, that's a curvy road. Right there, right lane's road or something like that. Another township building. Spring Township, I guess. I didn't get that. I think that's at Spring Township. But you have a township park over here. A lot of times they have a baseball field right beside the township buildings. I have people coming up behind me. And I'm taking my time. I'm staying at 45. I'm not going to go any faster. And that's what the speed limit is. Sorry, I sniffed. another entrance to get on Interstate 99 on the left, or Interstate 80. Soon. Worcester Lane, Coyote Lane. Oh. Put your hand on the hook, they're just seeing a flag. Uh-oh. They're working on something ahead of me. Okay, there's a detour. I might have to get on the bypass. Road work ahead. Detour 1,000 feet. Yeah, man, looks like Jacksonville Road is shut down up here. They're telling me to get on. They're telling me to go to South 26. Oh, that's new. Jacksonville Road blocked off from here to Bellefonte. So I'm going on the bypass. This is the new entrance onto the bypass. Maybe that's the reason why they built that, because they were building. They had to repair something. I guess only local people allowed to go through there, and then locals or local people that lives there. But the locals are the ones that are crazy enough to go through that stuff. That's why I'm calling the locals. They shouldn't be going through there in the first place. Unless they can't read. I'm getting on 80. Alright, well, since I'm going to go up to the other end of Bellefonte and up to Bellefonte. I don't usually get on 80. This is the first time I've filmed on 80. This thing only likes me to go up to 65, and that's all the faster it's going to go. Even though 80 is 70 up through here. They can pass me. They have a passing lane. So it only lets it go 65, so I'm just going to stay at 65. Because it's in there, it's up. RPMs is high right now when it gets on the bypass. RPMs are between four and a half. Why have a high RPM? It's something to do with the training. That's what I was told, but I'm thinking it could be a couple other things too. But that isn't what I need fixed. The brakes are getting a little spongy from all these trips. That's what needs fixed. So I have to at the beginning of the month I have to buy some brakes. Because I'm only going 65. I know it's 70 on this bypass. I'm going to get off here at the Bellefonte exit. I'm not staying on to milesburg. Even though I could do that. But yeah, I'll just do that and go down the other way. Right here where the Jacksonville Road ends anyhow, so I'm going to take you up to the Jacksonville Road. Take you over to 80, over to 150. Whew, my hat almost blew off with that truck passing me. Yeah, look at all this construction going on up here. Looks like they are redoing the intersection or something. Both sides. They really need to do something to make it a little better coming on towards the State College side. Oh, okay. They crooked the road a little bit so you can. Oh, 55 anyhow. I was only going 60, so I was going 65, but when they swerved me over, I slowed up. They really are doing some good, some construction work in this area. I hope they do. I mean, the road that what they're doing is redoing the roads. Oh, and yeah, it looks like they are redoing a lot of this stuff here. I mean, hopefully, once they're done, I can come up here and film it. How to get on this road. I'm not going to Black Machine, and I'm just going to go up here to Bald Eagle and get on. I was going to take it to the end of Jacksonville Road, and that's new. Yeah, they really are working up here. I thought they would redo this up here, make it easier to get off the bypass and on the bypass. Getting on the bypass coming from State College, you had to cross the lane to get over to get on there onto the bypass. That was weird. I didn't want to go to State College. That'd probably be another trip or so. I'm coming up here to Milesburg exit, and once I get off Milesburg, truck. I'm still going at 55. I'm going to side and sit back here. I'm supposed to speed up a little bit. And I'm getting all that back, what you call the drafting backdraft. Now I'm drafting. Like they do in NASCAR, they draft. They get behind somebody and leave them take care of the speed. Doing that, the person ahead of you is losing more gas. So that's what drafting is. I told somebody I was drafting, and they laughed about it. And I wasn't kidding. I was not kidding. I didn't laugh at all when they laughed. I don't like getting off this bypass either that much because you had that big loop here. Yeah, gonna go talking about circles. You have this big circle on both sides here in Milesburg. When you're coming from Clearfield, you're going a big circle. You come from, maybe not. Yeah, if you're going a certain way, you might. You're coming off of here. You're coming right next to McDonald's, and you got. Be careful if you're off to the side, because certain thing happened several years ago that I don't want to even mention. Alright, I'm going to head towards and get over. I should be able to get over. Not much traffic in this area. Usually less. Once this one goes, I can get over. Okay, well, that was the trip up to Jacksonville Road. I thought I was going to go the whole way, but I can't help that. Well, guys, have a good day. A little bit of a bonus. I'm coming through 150 on Howard here. The sign's up saying road work ahead. And the road work is up here. They're putting lights in right down here on Route. This said junction 26, but it's also Route 150. But junction 26 is a detour on 150. They're going to be putting lights in, but right now they're not doing anything right now. And I'm along right over here is the Joseph Sayers Lake and also the Bald Eagle State Park off to the left, and right there's the overview. And it said Warrior Run Past on that sign back there. Okay, well, you'll see up here. I'm going to shut it off here, up here, and I'm going to, you can see they have a construction there. They're going to be doing this over the summertime, probably. Here probably going to start here in late April or early May. But maybe after the yard sales. Because the yard sales are up here sometime in early May also. Okay, well, I'm going to let you guys go and hope you enjoyed the bonus, and you guys have a good day.